What causes a computer to get slow? User has installed a lot of programs and doesn't regularly clean up their system. Their computer may hardware and software, or running scans to detect and remove malware. Additional RAM or storage space in order to improve their computer's performance. Having a fast computer can provide numerous benefits. Efficiency. A fast computer can help users work faster and more efficiently, allowing them to get more done in less time. Furthermore, finally, a fast computer as they are less likely to be running the latest security updates. Preventing a computer from getting slow.